on West Belt Airgun, I'm going to review the GAMO P900 IGT break barrel pellet air pistol. The P900 IGT is a break barrel pellet air pistol. No CO2 cartridges are required for this air pistol. The power plant is an IGT or inert gas technology pneumatic cylinder power plant. This air pistol is able to shoot .177 caliber PBA platinum pellets up to 400 FPS. The P900 IGT has a fiber optic front sight that aids in aiming in low light situations. This air pistol features an ergonomic grip. The P900 IGT weighs 1 pound and 4.1 ounces, or 570 grams. Its overall length is 12.5 inches, or 31.75 centimeters, and its height from the top of the rear sight to the base of the grip is 5 7/8 inches, or 14.92 centimeters. P900 GAMO is proudly molded into the left and right side of this air pellet pistol. IGT, which stands for Inert Gas Technology, is printed on the left side. In addition, this air pellet pistol has cool louvered openings on both sides. The P900 IGT comes in a clear plastic clamshell style packaging intended for retail sales. The front of the packaging proudly boasts that the P900 IGT can shoot up to 400 FPS with PBA platinum pellets, that it has an ergonomic and rubberized grip, although I do not see any rubberized grip on this air pellet pistol, fiber optic sight, and that no CO2 cartridges are required. In addition, there are safety warnings in the lower left-hand corner of the packaging. You can clearly see the instruction manual in the blister pack on the back of the P900 IGT packaging. The back of the packaging proudly boasts the benefits of inert gas technology, including less vibration, more precision, extreme durability, and steady and consistent power. Also SAT or smooth action trigger. As mentioned, the P900 IGT comes with an obligatory instruction manual. In addition, there's a pamphlet which indicates that you are not to return this product to the store, but to reach out to GAMO USA instead if you are having issues with this air pellet pistol. It also outlines the warranty on the P900 IGT air pellet pistol and the warranty activation steps. The P900 IGT's safety is located just behind the trigger. To engage the safety, push from the left side until the red is no longer visible. Push from the right side to disengage the safety. The P900 IGT has a hooded post front sight with built-in fiber optics to aid in aiming in low light situations, and a notched rear sight. The rear sight can be adjusted for windage only using the screws circled in the picture. If the P900 IGT is shooting too far to the left, turn the sight adjustment screw clockwise. Turn the sight adjustment screw counterclockwise if the P900 IGT is shooting too far to the right. It takes a fair amount of force to cock the P900 IGT pellet air pistol. Trigger pull on this pellet air pistol is fairly light. The P900 IGT pellet air pistol has very little recoil, which helps with accuracy. The P900 IGT air pellet pistol the P900 IGT air pellet pistol, damn it. I attribute the P900 IGT's accuracy due to its low recoil design and its rifle barrel. I really enjoyed my time with the P900 IGT. This pellet air pistol was truly a joy to shoot. The low recoil design and rifle barrel aid in this pellet air pistol's accuracy. In addition, not having to purchase CO2 cartridges reduces the operating cost of this pellet air pistol. The only downside is that you experience arm fatigue after cocking this pellet air pistol many times. You can purchase the P900 IGT using my Amazon referral link in the description. Please like this post and subscribe to Rust Belt Airgun so that you're alerted to my future posts. Thank you.